Welcome everyone to my channel. Don't be surprised by this mess, it's just that we're moving to another service center. It's a real mess, honestly, but I couldn't care less. So, here's a TV with this kind of defect. It keeps rebooting without showing any image. I've ordered a screen for it. Here's the screen, and today we're going to replace it. What's with all this mess here? These are customers' TVs. Some of them even got scratched. This is my phone. Alright, let's get started. Now I will show you exactly how to do all of this. Go ahead, say it. He broke the cover, he did it. He didn't break anything at all. See, everything's perfect. So, we remove the speakers, remove the button, remove the ribbon cable. We take out the connectors, take out the power supply, take out the motherboard. By the way, a cat pooped over there. It really stinks here. We need to send this display panel to the manufacturer, so we'll handle it carefully. The screen was already scratched during transport. Right here. And someone will have to answer for that. As you can see, there's absolutely nothing complicated about it, it's just modular component replacement. This is warranty equipment.
The main thing is for the TV to work. The rest doesn't matter. All right. I've connected everything. Let's put the cover on. What model is this anyway? CU. Now, let us carefully flip this piece over to the other side so that we can thoroughly check every detail and inspect it for any hidden features or issues underneath. Oh, that is really unfortunate.